Okay, decided to do a quick video here. I had a lot of free play in my, this is a 49 Farmall Cub, and it had a lot of slop and play in the steering. So I talked to some guys online, and they kind of helped me out. And so basically what you got going on here is there's a castle nut at the bottom there, and then there's like a bolt and nut here in the back that kind of clamps it on the part that goes up into the steering gearbox. And so what you want to do is, I jacked it up with a wood block here, got the weight off the tires, and I tilted it so that one side's kind of angling down, so I got more room to fit like a wrench and stuff in there. And what you do is you loosen this up. That's a 5/8, and there's a 5/8 on the back. I used this typical tools you got. I had to use a little swivel to get in there. You loosen that up so that you can tighten it up, and then you get in there with the castle nut. I think it's probably a 1 inch. I didn't have a 1 inch. I used adjustable wrench, but kind of ghetto, but whatever, it worked. I didn't wrench on it too hard. I just tightened it up, and then I tightened these back up, and now when I move this, there's very, very little play, just a little bit. Before I had a whole bunch. I mean, not a quarter of a turn, but maybe a little less than that, maybe 1/8 of a turn. Now it's like nothing. So pretty cool, simple fix. So anyway, if anyone's got a Farmall Cub and they got free play in their steering, that's what you got to do. You got to get in there and get that guy loose there, those 2 bolts, and then loosen or tighten up that castle nut. That'll bring the arm up a little bit. And you can tell if it's got play too, because when you turn it, this arm here will go up and down, thump, 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 like that. So anyway, so that's how you fix that. Pretty cool. So there you go. See ya.